I am reading the printout of the details of the house and lot in Mandaue, and this was made by Boss Rita, one of my business partners in Filipino Homes. It has here the picture of the house, the price, the floor plan, and the location. And I made a video about this, so let's talk about it while watching. Let's watch it together. It's quite a big house. You can fit almost 2 cars. A big living room. Dining room is quite big. The kitchen is huge. It also has a room downstairs for your guests, for your maids' quarters, or even for your older parents. Furniture is not included. That's Boss Rita. So let's go upstairs. So many steps going up. It has 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Furnitures again, not included. And the master bedroom. It only has 4 units for sale, and one of which, the house beside this one, is already sold. Prices start at 6.9 million. Oh no, 6.4 million. That's for the inner. Okay, so these are the houses. This was the one you saw. Sold house. 6.4 million. 7.4 million. This one is 6.9. So those are the prices, and since this is already ready for occupancy, not pre-selling, you are required to pay the down payment in full, which is 20%. And then there's a transfer charge, which is about 4 or 5% of the selling price, and then 80% of it should be loaned through the bank. This is located in LABOGON, Mandaue City. It's about how many minutes going there? Oh, it's not seen here, but I think when we went there, I think it was about 6 minutes from the main road to the townhomes itself. And it has 2 ways, going in and going out. If you have questions about this property, please comment down below, or you can also DM me on Instagram, private message me on Facebook, or even follow me on TikTok and then comment on that video that I already made there. See you soon.